if you're coming into real estate as a new broker or a new agent, you need to have a budget for marketing. You're going to spend money on marketing to generate online leads. I think this is crucial. I don't care who you are. You're not going to come into real estate as a new agent and compete against people like me who are going to get the leads, okay? I have the marketing in place. I have the referral business. I have 1,000 videos online. I'm generating leads online. You got to get started somewhere. So the way you do that, yeah, you're going to do everything that's free. You're going to tap into your warm market, yeah, friends and family. You're going to do that. But you need to have online leads coming. Okay, those can be generated with a click of a button, but it takes money. So you need to have a budget, and you need to have money to survive, because you're not going to make any money for a bit. Okay, it's going to take money. If you sell a house your first day in business, it's 30 to 45 days, maybe 60 days before you close that deal. Okay, and it can fall apart for 100 reasons right at the last minute. It can be very, very trying, and it can be tough. Okay, but what you want to do is come in with the right expectations, and you need to have $50,000, $75,000 in the bank so that you can pay all your bills, not be stressed out. You can be putting money into marketing, and you're going to be generating leads. You're going to be making calls. You're going to be talking to people every day. You're going to be doing everything in the whole sphere of marketing, free marketing, paid marketing, until you start getting some deals and closing, and then you can start, taking that money, your cash flowing your business. That's how it works. If you don't have that mindset, and if you don't have an entrepreneurial mindset, you will fail. And that's the other thing people just don't have. They've always had a job, a 1099. They've had a 9 to 5, and then they're self-employed, and they're like, yeah, I'm gonna go to lunch with Joe, and we're gonna grab coffee, and I'm gonna talk about real estate. And you think that's what real estate is, because you're probably watching my videos, and I'm not showing behind the scenes stuff on my social media. I'm showing my closings. I'm showing properties, lifestyle stuff. I'm always making videos, always. There's not a single day that goes by that I'm not creating video content for all of my social media platforms. So you need to be transparent and be willing. Forget privacy. You're not going to have any more privacy, okay? So no guarantees, no privacy. You're going to live a transparent life, and you got to be okay with that. And you're going to have to be okay working with people you don't like, because there's lots of people. You don't control who calls you. Now, you can say no. You can say no to that business, but the idea is to say yes to business. And if you're not a person that can be happy working with all kinds of people, and people who are opposite of you, they have different views on everything, they politically, spiritually, some people are very toxic and hard to deal with. They're going to be sitting in your car driving around. So that's real. I just want to be preparing you. So I don't know, I just want to make this reality, because I'm tired of seeing people fail in real estate because they weren't prepared for the reality of what it actually looks like. And I'm just brushing the surface here. It can be very rewarding, but you have to earn it. You got to get there. It doesn't start on day one.